Have you ever heard from any English trainer that if you want to be fluent in this language, so you have to start thinking, you have to train your brain? If yes, so this video is for you. You know what? We watched lots of videos that how we fluent in this language, and we do all the stuff which is required for learning English. But there is one missing, that is thinking in English. We do all the stuff which is required, but which is really important, we avoid this, that is thinking in English. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This is Krishna, and in this video I am going to talk about how we can think in English. So if you want to know, so watch this video till the end. First is stop translating, which is most important. So what happened when we start speaking, that time before speaking we go through the videos, grammar videos, and we are learned and we read and we follow all the grammar rules. And when we start speaking, that time we start thinking and we start translating, that here should be, what should be, is, are, am, should, must, might, anything. And what happened when we translate from our native language to English? It's take a lot time. Second, our confidence get down, and when our confidence get down, so everything will be wash, because in a base of confidence we can express our thoughts naturally. But if we translate, so our confidence will get down and we will not able to express. So first is stop translating. Whatever you have knowledge, just use this. What will happen? Just it will mistake. So don't think about mistake. When you will mistake, then you will realize that I have to do hard work. When you will not do mistake, then how will you able to remove this when you don't know that you are doing mistake? So doing mistake, it's really important. Second is whatever happening surrounding to you, just try to describe this. You know what happened? When we watch videos, that time everyone says, every YouTuber, every English trainer says that explain whatever you have. So we start to do naming the things, that this is couch, this is almirah, this is wall, this is light, those are books, like that. So stop this. Instead of this, what have to do? You have to describe the situation, what is going on, not only one thing, not one word. What is going on, you have to just describe. It will helps to you, it will helps to grow your English and confidence too. So next is where you are, you have to think that now I'm recording video. You have to think that I'm recording video, now I'm going to post on YouTube, and now I just have taken my lunch, now I'm going to go to market, tomorrow is a Raksha Bandhan, I have a plan for Raksha Bandhan, like that. Whatever you know, just speak, just describe the thing. Next is framing the sentence. You know what? When you start listening and speaking, you will be able to frame the sentence, that how we can frame any sentence, what we want to say, what I'm going to say, what anyone want to say. So when you will follow listening and speaking, then you will able to, and when you will able to frame the sentence, you start thinking. So that was the thing, that it will help to you in thinking in English. So that's enough for today's video. I hope you enjoy and you understood that what will help to you to think in English. And if you like this video, so hit the like button, and if you want to know more about, so do comment too. Thank you.